Hey everyone, this is your girl Pauline from My Crafting Hut. Listen, I'm working these baskets this morning for my Mother's Day. And before I get too far into this video, I am having some issues with my throat this morning. So if I clear my throat a little bit, please forgive me. But yeah, I'm trying to get these baskets done. So this is a set that came from Family Dollar last year. It has the shower frizzes, the eye gel patch, scented candle, speaker, and a headband. And I also included a pair of socks and this Bath and Body Works lotion. And back here, I have one of the waffle robes, and I'm not packaging it in anything. I took the tag off and I just put a picture of it right here so they would see what's in what the robe looks like. I have hand gel. I have this. I need to bring that up a little more, but I have this Pond's this spa body cream. I have this washcloth back here, and this set that I got from Walmart last year. So I thought this concept would be nice for a mother. It can be for any mother, even a teenager might like this concept. Uh, so yeah, so this is what I put together for this one. I also going to. I want to put. I want to dress this up right here. I want to put a little bling on there. So I'm thinking that I just might do that. Let's see. Let's see if they hold on there. But yeah, I thought I'd put just a little something to spice up. What do you think about that, y'all? And it has it's like a what you call that, psychedelic color. It give that multicolor vibration vibe. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna cut another piece to. Actually, I wonder if I have enough to go all the way around. I'm not sure. So let me work on the front first, right here, and then right here. Yeah, secure this. So yeah. So what I did with this set is I used my fishing line and on the gown and the spa thing, and I brought it up underneath here and secured it to the handle. So that way this is not going anywhere. And then I put a little tape on the sides here for extra protection. So yeah, and everything else is glued down. And yeah, that is this concept. So let's turn it around. Oh, I do want to put a little thread in here. Let's see if I can find. So yeah, so let's put some thread in here. Uh, see, put some white thread. because you could see a little bit in there if you look hard enough. And I want to eliminate as much of the space as I can. So yeah, so I use my thread as a filler. So I hope everyone's having a good day. Um, today is that well, it's been for a couple of days, I think 10 or 30 at Family Dollar. And I took advantage of that today. And I got me some candles. I got me 4 of these candles. And they had 3 of those happy mothers, those mom bears. Oh, what did I do with them? I do it- I put them somewhere. But anyways, yeah, they had 3 of those mom bears sitting there. So yeah, so I went ahead and I grabbed those right here. I thought these were cute. So yeah, so I'll use these in one of my concepts. Well, a few of my concepts. So yeah, so that is this basket, y'all. I think it turned out pretty nice. I like it. So tell me what you think. And there we go. That's that basket for Mother's Day. So yeah, I have my rose there, and I put a rose here as a filler right there. Yeah. And all right, so this is what it looks like, y'all. Once I wrap it, and I'm going to use. I have some other pink pull bows. I have to find them. So yeah, I'm gonna use a pull bow on this and a pink pull bow, and then this will be ready to set aside. Yeah, mm, that's another basket. I did find this basket at Walgreens. I was only able to find 3 of them. I went to about 3 or 4 Walgreens in my area, and only one Walgreens had it. And they only had, yeah, I think it was, yeah, 3 of them. But so, and I liked it. So, yeah, this is the concept. So, y'all, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate you all. To all of my subscribers, thank you for continuing to support your girl. And I see that I have some new subscribers. Shout out to you. Thank you. Thank you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'd like to have you as part of the family. Loving my community. Everyone is doing an awesome job. We're all learning from each other. And I really appreciate the support. So until the next video, thank you. God bless and see you.